Hello, I am Elon.
And I am Edward, and we are doing the Boogie Bot.
So first in our Boogie Bot, we are going to try to get it to run as close to 45 seconds as we can. Next, and we also want to create creative moves and make our own dime bop. Then we need to get it as close to start within at least 20 points. Within 2 inches. I can't think right now. Okay. So here's our dime bop. First, it goes forward 1.5 rotations, then backwards 1.5 rotations, then forwards 2 rotations, then backwards 2 rotations, then forward 0.5 rotations, and then it goes 360 backwards and then 360 forwards. And then it goes 1 rotation forward, 1 rotation backwards, 1 rotation forward, and 1 rotation backwards. Then backwards 180 degrees, and then backwards 190 degrees, and with a different wheel turn. And so here it is. Okay, Edward. Oh no, thing turned off. Just get it back on. Okay. I'll time it. Actually, no. Here, I'll get this. Ready, set, go. We got 44.72 seconds.
Nice job, boys.
And that is our Boogie Bot.